Hello from North Tyrone. Today under the spotlight is the Makita DC18RC rapid charger. This is a very familiar piece of equipment to a lot of you out there. It charges your lithium-ion batteries. But this very familiar piece of equipment is a very unfamiliar hidden feature, hidden characteristic. I thought it was interesting and quirky, so I thought I'd do a video about it. To show you this feature, what you need is a lithium-ion battery. Just stick it on to charge, as you'd all do. And it makes that, you hear that beep beep beep, and the light went on. And that's very familiar to you. But what isn't familiar to you, if you remove the battery and reinsert it within 5 seconds, it changes the tone that makes. Try again. See, that went beep, that was a different tone. What do you hear the next one? And if you do it again, try again. Then you're back to the start. Now, I don't know what Makita were thinking, but this made me smile today. So you can change the tune on your Makita charger whenever you like. Just in a few seconds, just do that. And never take it off for a good few seconds. You'll get the same tone. But I thought it was interesting. So if you know any names of any of these tunes that we played, there are a lot of classical music there. If you know the names of any of the tunes that this thing can play, you can put them in the comment section. And you can even write, if you already knew this, but this blew my mind today. It's a silly thing, but it definitely made me smile. So if you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe to my channel.